was in a whole different state. Doing more shit than people trust my age. Walking out the bank with nothing but blue face. I can see the hate, but I ain't never faced. Standing on business, call me LLC. I must be a printer, how they copy. Remember having nothing, couldn't even sleep. Now my diamonds hitting on oddly. Lost it all, got it back times 10. You ain't got no hustle, you ain't born to win. Remember summertime, walking in the heat. Now my car titles in the photo knee. Started 38, then I got some nines. Then I get that motherfucker blow your spine. Happy you're my pivot, you be on the pine.
I'm gonna go ahead and open this one so I can go ahead and use it. We have, I'm not sure what I want to call it, but it holds a camera, holds a phone, whatever, and you can extend it. So I open this bad boy. All right, y'all. We got the tripod in effect. Go ahead and open this up. Long awaited. Bam. It's my thumbnail. Package. Oh, you know, it was less shiny. Alright, so in the box, we got another box. This comes with charger box, wrist cable, so you don't drop it, and the actual charging cable. And that's it for this right here. Had to move to my studio. Too much going on out there. Trying to make this as professional as possible for the people who actually are looking to get one, like I did. Open this guy up. And it looks like it comes with like a little case. And that's neat. You can put it in your pocket and it won't like mess up. Slide it up out of there. So inside it says like wide angle lens and black pro mist. This is what it looks like compared to my hand. Pretty small. Let's go ahead and take that bad boy off. Let's go ahead and, that's what it's asking right now. Go ahead and swipe to skip. And it says, see that? Yep. But it says swipe from left edge to enter playback. Swipe from right edge to change image and audio parameters. Tap to switch between shooting modes. Tap to select gimbal smart mode. Tap to rotate gimbal. Tap to switch between gimbal tilt control and zoom control. Slide the control zoom or gimbal tip. Tap to check battery. And I think that's it. So, just looking at it off rip, it's the size of it is crazy right now. I'm not gonna lie, the size of it is crazy. But it looks pretty good on the screen, I'm not gonna lie. And you gotta remember, it's a gimbal, so you have to move the actual thing for it to turn. If you try to look at something over there, you have to turn it that way. Let's see. Gimbal recentered. Tap that, comes towards you. Like that. You have your zoom right here. Pretty good zoom. face auto detect. The quality is spectacular, not gonna lie. Alright, y'all, so this right here is a little gadget. Take this bad boy out. It plugs in. And right there, you can put your tripod on it and everything. Like so. Now, as you can see, it is on the tripod. Pretty dope. I'll screw it in so it's not going anywhere. I don't know if y'all can see good or not, but it's a pretty good damn camera. Alright, y'all, so I figured out how to change the resolution. Just swipe up like so. Then you can go 4K 60. And that's what I'm used to recording in. So now you see we are in 4K 60. You hit this button in the corner right here, you get the options of slow motion, time lapse, low light, video, photo, and panorama. Y'all, just gonna run y'all through some of the other features. Swipe down. You have specific places to save. This is just the screen rotate, your brightness, just the auto face capture. That's your settings. This is the screen options when you're tilting it. Rotation speed, I got it at default. You go to your settings, you got the hookup for your wireless mic, gimbal startup direction, rotate screen, you can rotate it to turn it off. You can adjust what you want the slider to be as far as the control on the side. Selfie flip, so it shows the correct way instead of it being flipped. And just a bunch of other things, calibrations, your sound. You can turn up your sound, auto flicker. Name management, like you can have like folders in here and stuff like that. I didn't know they had a live stream option on here. I didn't scroll this far down. Your glamour effect. And you can also turn up your sharpness and your noise reduction. And this is the face tracking. So as you can see, the camera follows me everywhere I go.
He's in school. Come on.
Youngin' out the A's and standards in a whole different state. Doing more shit than people trust my age. Walking out the bank with number blue face. I can see the hate, but I ain't never faced. Standing on business, call me LLC. I must be a printer, how they copy. Remember having nothing, couldn't even sleep. Now my diamonds hitting on oddly. Lost it all, got it back times 10. You ain't got no hustle, you ain't born to win. Remember summertime, walking in the heat.